Add and set up free VPN Windows 11. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how can you add and set up free VPN Windows 11. To do it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to open up your settings, or you could just go to the search box and you want to go ahead and type in settings. While you come to this page, what next you want to do is you want to come to this. You want to go ahead and make sure to click on VPN, and then you can click on add VPN. Now here, if you have the information, you could go ahead and connect it and click on the save button, and you'll be able to add VPN. However, if you don't have the following information, then what next you could do is you could simply install a VPN from any browser. If you want to go with the Microsoft Store, then you could actually go to open it up, and on the search box, what you want to do is type in VPN and you want to install it. So any of these free VPN, whichever is available, and you could find a lot of it, and you could just go ahead and click on the install button and run the installation, and you'll be able to add VPN to your account, to your Windows 11. So that's how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.